VSeeBox V6 Plus setup. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up your VSeeBox V6 Plus. First, go ahead and unbox. Open your VSeeBox V6 Plus. The HDMI cord is complimentary, however, you do need a compatible 8K HDMI cord if you do not use the one provided. Now connect the VSeeBox to a power source using the provided power supply. Connect the VSeeBox to your TV using the HDMI cable. Install batteries in the remote. So open the battery compartment of the remote and install two AAA batteries. If the VC box does not power on automatically, press the red power button on the remote. After the VC box powers on, follow the on-screen prompt to pair the Bluetooth remote. Hold the OK and volume down button on the remote until the blue light flashes, indicating successful pairing. Now select your preferred language using the remote and press OK to move to the next menu. Go ahead and adjust the screen ratio using the zoom in and zoom out screen options until the screen fills your screen. And then choose the next option. And then go ahead and select your time zone and then press agree on the disclaimer pop-up. Now connect your TV to your Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet connection and all apps will start getting downloaded automatically. Wait patiently until all of them are installed, at which point you will automatically move on to the home screen where you can start using your box. And that is the VSeeBox V6 Plus setup.